Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a 1-point perspective picture. So the first thing, you're going to need a ruler and your paper and a pencil. The paper's 12 inches tall, so we want to have a line that's below the middle. So we're going to go to like 5 or 4 inches. You can make a mark, and then you turn your ruler and just make sure you're holding the ruler so it doesn't move. We'll draw, that's our first line. Now, if we were outside, this would be our horizon line. So this would be the sky and this would be the ground. But we're inside, so this is going to be the wall and this will be the floor. Okay? So we now need to find the middle of this, and this is 9 inches wide. So we need to find 4.5 and make a mark. And we can go ahead and make a mark, line going straight down. So we're only going to be drawing on the floor or at the bottom. We won't draw anything at the top. So the next thing we're going to do is something called the vanishing point. So the vanishing point is where all the lines look like they're headed. So we want to, a good measurement is your pinky. So you can just take your knuckle and put it, that's the end of your pinky right there, and use the hand you write with. And at the top, put a dot at the top of your pinky. And then we're going to create the lines. So for this part, it's just swing out, check your dot, and then draw a line. So we're going to swing out, we're going to check our dot and make sure it's at the corner, and then we're going to draw a line. And we can do that about 3 or 4 times. Swing out, check your dot, make sure it's at the corner, draw a line. Swing out, check your dot, draw a line. Swing out, check your dot, draw a line. Now this one, so that's one side, right? And so we're going to do the other side, but this one's a little tricky because you're drawing under the ruler. So you're going to swing out, check your dot, and we're going to draw under the ruler because you want to be on the same side as the dot. Swing out, check your dot, draw a line. Swing out, check your dot, draw a line. Swing out, check your dot, and draw a line. Now because we're doing a room, on the next part is we're going to do a brick pattern at the top. So when you're making a brick pattern, you start with the horizontal lines, and then you add the vertical lines. So we're just going to make this look like rectangles. And the trick with the brick pattern is you look at the brick and you go to the middle of the brick and then you draw a line up, because they're always, the ends are at the center of the bullet, the brick that's on the bottom. So this is the middle of this brick, so I'm going to draw a line up. I'm going to look at this rectangle, this is the middle, I'm going to draw a line up. Look at this one, it's right here, draw up. Now the good thing is this is an A-B pattern, so this is row A, this is row B, A, B, so this will match that one. Okay, so I can't see this first one, but in the middle of this is here, the middle of this is here, and the middle of this is here. So you see how these match? And now this one will also A and A, B and B. So the middle of this rectangle is here, the middle of this rectangle is here, the middle of this rectangle is here. So you can see how these match and these match. So it's an A, B pattern. Okay, so that's how you do a brick wall pattern.